Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about fraudulent transfers in bankruptcy. It happens to the best of us. This is interesting. This blog really touches on two issues in bankruptcy. And that is under Section 548 of the Bankruptcy Code, the first issue is a look back period of 2 years, right? Prior to filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, prior to filing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And the question is, did you transfer any assets within that 2-year time frame to anyone for less than fair market value? And if you did, you didn't have to intend for it to be fraudulent. It's just considered fraudulent. It's considered something that the trustee in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy can claw back. So give me an example, Wes. What does this look like? Well, you gift your niece a $5,000 vehicle. She pays you nothing for it. It's a gift to your niece who's 25 years old. And you did this a year and a half before you filed Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The trustee in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy can claw that vehicle back from your niece, liquidate the vehicle, take those funds and disperse it to all your creditors pro rata. It's about leveling the playing field for creditors. And it's not always fair. It's not always, but this is what our congressmen and women decided was fair. If you transferred an asset to a family member in the last 6 years with the actual intent to hinder, delay, and defraud your creditors, the trustee in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy can undo that transfer. So you say, Wes, give me an example of this. Well, 3 years ago, before you filed Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you transferred your Harley to your brother, and you did it because at the time you had creditors chasing you down and you didn't want to lose the Harley, so you transferred it to your brother, wink, wink, to thwart the attempts of your creditors to try to take your Harley from you. I mean, that's actual fraud. And the trustee in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy can claw that transfer back, go to your brother and say, you now owe me a Harley Davidson, and liquidate the Harley Davidson or the claim against brother, and take that money and disperse it to your creditors pro rata. Again, this is about leveling the playing field. Don't look for some of this to be fair. It's about what your congressmen and women determined they believed to be fair. When the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.